Hey guys, today we're going to make some snail ghosties. Now the first thing you want to do is give them an eye socket with a ball tool, and then I just added a lip, and I'm also using another ball tool to shape the mouth into a whaling expression. Add 2 little balls of clay and use a very small ball stylus to make the nostrils. From here we're going to work on the shell. You just want to kind of map out where your high points and low points are, and also make the spiral. I add a cone shape to the tip of the spiral. All the tools I'm using today are silicone tip tools and ball tools. To make these a little more decrepit, I used a flat-tipped silicone tool to make cracks in the shell. Here you want to make wrinkles with the pointed silicone tool. That mouth is so funny. And here you can see my eyes got a little smushed, so I just put the ball stylus back in there and made sure they were circle again. And I'm adding cracks to the eye to make it look also decrepit. All over really, you can judge how much you want to put on there. I think for next video I'm going to attend to my nails. I'm not really a girly girl. I don't use nail polish, but I think when I make videos I'm going to clean it up for you guys, so don't look at them. You don't want to make these lines too deep. You just want to give the impression of a seashell, the realistic texture. When you add paint, you'll be able to use a wash and get some dark in those lines. Is it a seashell? I don't know. I said seashell, but I don't know if that's really what they are. For the antennas, I'm using Cost clay because it's bendable and it's less likely to break. I just used a flattened clay snake just to get the frill on the bottom, and I blend it in. And this next part's going to be pretty cool because I'm not a baker, but I do know how to crimp pies, and it's just like that. Now I'm just going through and adding more texture where I see it needs it. You can make this as detailed or as plain as you'd like. And she has a boyfriend. After initialing and putting the year on the bottom, I take rubbing alcohol and I wipe down the whole thing. It smooths everything out. Thank you guys for watching.